Hi guys, it's me and Elsa somewhere. And we're walking Turbo, as you can see. But as we were walking, we saw swans.
Yeah, they're literally
Swans. So that's that.
We are walking Turbo, heads up with me and Alpha.
Turbo and Elsa.
And you.
Yeah, and I showed myself. So, yes, we will do another electric scooter video.
Yeah, but it's like really raining.
Oh, get on the side of the road, Elsa.
Here, help.
Good boy, Turby. Good boy. It's
If he like, you can pull out of that. Like, I swear.
oh.
Like, he can pull out of that. I don't know how though. He's like a horse. I just make horse
Gallop.
sounds with he'll go.
So, this person's not coming, so, well, bye.
Bye.
Elsa,
Bye.
Turbo, say hi. I mean, bye. Turbo. Okay, well, see ya. Bye.